Imagine this. Your liver is working tirelessly, day in and day out, filtering toxins from your body, metabolizing fats, and supporting your immune system. But what if I told you that some of the foods you eat every day might be sabotaging this vital organ? Yes, you heard that right. Certain common foods, which you may not even think twice about, could be putting your liver under tremendous stress, leading to long-term damage. Let's dive into the worst foods for your liver that you might be eating every day and what you can do to protect this crucial organ. The liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body, responsible for more than 500 vital functions, including detoxification, protein synthesis, and the production of chemicals necessary for digestion. However, many of the foods we consume on a regular basis can overburden the liver, leading to conditions like fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. In this video, we'll uncover the everyday foods that could be harming your liver and provide tips on how to make better choices for your health. 1. Sugary foods and drinks. First on the list is sugar. The seemingly innocent sweetener found in everything from your morning coffee to your favorite dessert. Sugar, particularly fructose, can be a major enemy of your liver. When you consume too much sugar, your liver turns the excess into fat. Over time, this can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition where too much fat is stored in liver cells, disrupting its ability to function. But it's not just the obvious sugary snacks you need to watch out for. Sugary drinks like sodas and energy drinks are particularly harmful. They contain high amounts of fructose and are directly linked to liver fat accumulation. So, next time you're craving something sweet, consider reaching for a piece of fruit instead. Your liver will thank you. 2. Alcohol. It might come as no surprise, but alcohol is one of the worst offenders when it comes to liver health. Even moderate drinking can have long-term effects on your liver. When you drink alcohol, your liver prioritizes breaking it down over other functions. This not only disrupts its normal processes, but also produces toxic byproducts that can damage liver cells. Chronic alcohol consumption can lead to a range of liver conditions, from fatty liver to alcoholic hepatitis, and even cirrhosis, where healthy liver tissue is replaced with scar tissue. If you drink alcohol daily, it's crucial to consider the potential damage it's doing to your liver and to moderate your intake. 3. Processed foods. Processed foods, including those convenient, ready-to-eat meals, snacks, and fast food, are loaded with unhealthy fats, sugar, and sodium, all of which can wreak havoc on your liver. These foods are often high in trans fats, which can increase inflammation and lead to liver fat accumulation. Moreover, the high sodium content in these foods can cause your body to retain water, leading to an increase in blood pressure and adding more strain on your liver. Instead of reaching for processed foods, try incorporating more whole foods into your diet. Fresh vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains not only provide essential nutrients, but also help your liver function optimally. 4. Red meat. While red meat can be a good source of protein and iron, consuming it in excess can strain your liver. Red meat is high in saturated fat, which can increase the amount of fat stored in your liver. This can lead to fatty liver disease and, over time, impair your liver's ability to function properly. If you enjoy meat, consider moderating your red meat intake and opting for leaner sources of protein, such as fish, poultry, or plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. Balancing your diet with plenty of vegetables can also help reduce the strain on your liver. Your liver is essential to your overall health, and it's crucial to be mindful of the foods you consume daily. While the occasional indulgence is fine, consistently eating foods high in sugar, alcohol, processed ingredients, and saturated fats can overburden your liver and lead to serious health issues. The good news is that by making small changes to your diet, you can give your liver the support it needs to keep functioning at its best. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods, reduce your intake of sugary drinks, moderate alcohol consumption, and choose lean proteins. Your liver works hard for you. Return the favor by treating it with care. If you found this information helpful, Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to keep your body healthy and thriving. And remember, a healthy liver is a happy liver.